power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab with LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, some on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, second row in-floor storage bin, 5.7-liter heated heavy engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.